The sight of a peacock opening its feathers is truly magnificent. These majestic birds come in a variety of vibrant colors. Each feather is a masterpiece of nature's design. Have you ever been fortunate enough to witness this magnificent display in person? These vibrant hues of the red peacock are especially spectacular, while the pure white peacock exudes an angelic beauty. Nature's beauty never fails to amaze us with its unique patterns and stunning displays. Next time you see these majestic birds, marvel at their splendor.